Continuing with the next problem, the question says the switch in the circuit is moved from position 1 to 2 at t equals to 0. Find Vc of t. The diagram given is this is 10 microfarad and this is 2 kilo ohms, 100 volts, 200 volts. Switch is here, position 1 and position 2. Solution: can do analysis at 3 intervals. At t equals to 0 minus, the switch in the circuit is moved from position 1 to 2 at t is equal to 0. So for t less than 0, the switch is at position 1. So we can draw the circuit. This is the first position. We can find the voltage across capacitor in this case, which we can call it as Vc of t. Vc is given in the question across the capacitor, so Vc of t is across the capacitor. This is 2 kilo ohms, 200 volts. Then from the diagram we can calculate Vc at 0 minus, so this value from the diagram we can call it as 200 volts. Now we can consider at t equal to 0 plus, the switch will be at position 2, 2k. Here will be a voltage source 200 volts across which we have Vc of t 200 volts. So we can say Vc at 0 plus is again 200 volts. Now we can draw the circuit at t greater than 0. So for t greater than 0, the circuit will be a voltage source and a capacitor. Hundred volts, 200 volts. Capacitor is 10 microfarads. This is 2 kilo ohms. Voltage across capacitor is Vc of t. So I am calling this as node A and applying KCL at node A, we can say 10 into 10 raised to minus 6 dVc by dt. Voltage across capacitor is voltage at this point minus 200. This is constant and derivative of constant is 0, so we are not considering 200 volts, plus Vc plus 100, voltage across capacitor plus 100 upon 2k is equal to 0. Therefore, on simplification you will get dVc by dt plus 50 Vc is equal to 5000. So again, this is in our standard form. I can say P is 50 and Q is 5000. So from this I can say Vc of t equals to, this will be minus 5000, so we'll have Vc of t as minus 5000, that is Q upon P plus C e raised to minus P into T at t equals to 0 plus. Vc of 0 plus we have found it as 200 volts. So calling this as equation 1, we substitute 2 in 1, we'll get 200 is equal to minus 5000 upon 50 plus C. So from this we'll get C as 300. Vc of t will be minus 100 plus 300 e raised to minus 50t. So whatever value C we have got, we are substituting this in the equation and we are getting the final equation for Vc of